Good evening, good day, good afternoon, friends, business partners. It's KG Mugwen. We are here for a great business opportunity overview, and I'm of the opinion that you have had a great day. We are here, we are building, we are sharing this great opportunity, and we see great things take place in the process, and that is exciting. So please welcome to those of you who might actually be joining us for the first time. Feel so much at home, feel welcome. We are connecting online, in the comfort of your own space. You are able to connect with us, and that is incredible. So with that being highlighted, please, to those who are in a position to speak, or you can type, just confirm if you are able to see RoyalQ. Welcome to the future.
Yes, we can see Leadership KG. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much, Leadership Raphael. It's a pleasure always to have great leaders like you in this session, and I believe that today also is going to be great. And yeah, that's it. We are proceeding, friends. Somebody invited you to this great session simply because they want you to be enlightened of what is happening in the world of RoyalQ, in this community where people download good money or serious money out of the cryptos, just like that, relying upon artificial intelligence. So you are here today to hear more about this opportunity, and I'm of the opinion that you will leave this space equipped, knowing exactly what to do after this session. So please keep in touch with the person that has actually informed you of this great opportunity, so that you continue to engage with them. They will certainly equip you. They will give you whatever assistance that you're going to need in the process, so that you know exactly what to do one step at a time, just like that. Now, RoyalQ, friends, it's a robot. It is trading crypto assets for us. It is going in and out of the cryptos, buying and selling, which is simply buying low and selling high, meaning that an action that is mostly done by human beings. Today we have an artificial intelligence software, an execution platform that is doing that for us. It's going in and out of the markets, making sure that we get some profits out of the markets. And it's beautiful in a sense that this robot will never actually sell at a price that is lower than the one that it actually bought at. And it's very exciting because when you use this robot to trade crypto markets, you are sure that you're not going to lose money. And the robot is not gambling with your assets. And not only that, friends, your money, it's not in the robot's account. Your money, it's in your own exchange. And that's something that should also even get you more happier, because you know that there will be no losing of money with this company. And now with that being highlighted again, friends, I'm looking onto the system. You can see information about our company. That is the business address. If you are keen to get such information, please ask your sponsor or the person that informed you of this opportunity to simply forward it to you, so that you have this information with you and you are able to actually make use of it to share with your loved ones, so that they know exactly what is happening with this great business. And it will help you. I believe with enough information comes ability for you to choose, and also peace of mind, because you enjoy investments to the extent of the knowledge that you have about what you are investing into. So now, with that being said, friends, let me just quickly move to the next slides. We are a community, as you can see on the screen, a community that believes that success is built in a smart way. It is just as simple as that. If there is a smart way to get things done, then success is inevitable. Now, that smart way will actually encompass so many things, friends. You're thinking of the plans that need to be implemented, and not only that, there's a whole lot of things that will be utilized in the process. Think of the vision, think of the support that will be required, shares that will be distributed, and so many other things. There will be sales, there will be, business advice, so many things that will be taking place. Speaking of research, productivity, utilization, products that are utilized, maintenance of whatever system that is being utilized, and so forth. So there are so many things that go into building a lasting success, and especially online, friends, it's just a lot that goes into having a sustainable business solution. Now, with that being highlighted, understand that that smart way has got so many things in them, which one of them is you being invited to this great business opportunity. Now, moving forward, RoyalQ is an intelligent app in your hands that will be accumulating profits for you as it happens, friends, 24/7. You know, money will be captured for you out of the cryptos. Imagine, including Sundays and Saturdays, because these are cryptos. This is not Forex. We are not gambling. We're not speculating on the outcomes that will take place in the markets. When one believes that markets will appreciate, then they buy, believing that when the market go up, then money will be captured. That's not the case. Here we are doing quantitative trading. This is spot trading, and it takes place in such a way that you don't lose your money. And that is very exciting, friends. So when you come here, understand that the robot will never cause you pain, but the robot is here. It has got your back. It's got you covered. It will see to it that you make money consistently out of the markets. And that is incredible. I spoke of quantitative trading strategy. This is what the robot is using. And it doesn't matter whether you are an advanced trader in the markets or you are simply a beginner. Friends, this board will make life easier for you. Keep in touch with your sponsor, that is the person that informed you of this great opportunity, and they will take you through so that you understand exactly what needs to be done and so forth. And what I love the most is that this board does not keep your money. Your money remains in your own exchange. Here we're speaking of Binance, which is the biggest exchange in the world, and one of the biggest also is Huobi Global. This robot is using these exchanges. I'm not speaking of Luno, altcoin traders, CX, and all those kind of exchanges that you are familiar with, because now here we are looking at massive liquidity, more money, where more money is brought together on an exchange. An exchange here, friends, is an equivalent of a bank account, for instance, because of the tasks that are required for you to have that. So it means that your money is safe in your own exchange, and the robot is not gonna actually make withdrawals from that particular account of yours. It will only be utilizing what you have in your exchange according to the permission that you would have granted to the robot as you integrate your exchange with the robot. And this is a very good thing to do in business, and you're going to enjoy it as you come on board. And there's a lot of things that will be done in the process. But as you come into this business, friends, understand something great here. Looking at what is happening with the presentation of the evolution of money, you can see that we started down there with bartering, and then look at where we are today. Digitalization is up there. More money in cryptos, more money, more buying power, more affordability, and so forth. And you're going to learn so many other things as you come into this business. The person that actually informed you of this opportunity, they will certainly assist you with so many other things. They will help you with getting on board, opening the exchange accounts, whether it be for Binance or Huobi or both of them. They have links to assist you do that, and follow those links so that you're going to reap some benefits when you follow the referral link from your sponsors in getting on board. Now, friends, we are here because of the highest form or level of money, which is crypto, where there are no limits, where there are no restrictions, where there are no rules that are there to oppress anyone, where you will experience the ultimate financial liberty, whereby access to this market is free. You don't need to issue, you don't need an approval to trade cryptos from anyone. These markets are decentralized and they make money like crazy, friends. And that's the reason why we love this market so much, because more is attained actually out of these markets. Now, with that being highlighted, Understand that your own money is not sent to the company. Your own money remains in your own exchange accounts, and this is peace of mind. And as we do the link of the robot and the exchange, we do not grant the robot the ability to make withdrawals. So this is exciting indeed. And you gain an amazing speed simply by having this robot integrated with your own exchange and performing transactions for you in buying and selling. And you literally don't need to worry whether markets are rising too much or markets are falling. The robot will see to it that when an opportunity is available for profits to be captured, profits will be taken. And when an opportunity is there for more quantity of whatever crypto that you will be trading with the robot will see to it that in a bearish market, more quantity is captured for you at the lower prices. And that is very exciting. This is how the user interface looks. And it's free, friends, to register and to download this particular app. And after you've downloaded it for free, you will gain information within the app. Quantitative course, it's there. You will learn so many things within this app, friends. It's incredible. There are people out there who will charge money to simply integrate a robot with an exchange. They will charge you for that. Some charge not less than $100 just to help you do what we call API binding, that is application processing interface. But here in RoyalQ, you're going to receive a detailed tutorial on how to get that done, friends. And it's very exciting. And it's something that causes us to always be sharing this great opportunity with as many people as we possibly can out there. Now, on annual basis, subscription is $120 US. And then in terms of performance, you know, the company claims only 20% of the profits, not your balance. Nobody will earn anything from the balance that you have in your exchange. And this is very exciting. Meaning this is not network marketing business where you need to get someone so that you can get paid. No, no, no. This is an execution platform. This is a crypto that is trading the markets for you. The robot that is trading the crypto markets for you. And as it does that, it makes profits. And as it makes profits for you, you are actually having 100% of everything in your exchange. But then it is your responsibility to always make sure that the robot has got enough in its account to get what we call gas fees or fuel charges and so forth. When you do that, friends, it's going to put, you know, a smile on your face because the robot will always be working, and as it works, it means it's making profits for you. And as it makes profits for you, then know that the robot is entitled to 20% of the profits. Your money is in your exchange. You have access to it 100% of the times. And in 3 simple steps, you register for free, get the link from the person that informed you of this great opportunity, and download this application for free. It's as simple like you do with WhatsApp. And once that is done, you simply then pay your subscription $120 USD. And then when you do that, what will happen, friends, is the robot will be ready to do some tasks for you of trading cryptos, just like that for the whole year. You have somebody who will not complain of sick leaves, annual leaves, compassionate leaves, or maternity leaves. You have somebody who will be there for you for the whole year, making serious money, just like that. And this is incredible. Now, with that being highlighted, there are 3 main ways of making money out of this particular business opportunity. What will happen is the first one is simply by linking your own robot after you've paid for your subscription with the exchange. We're speaking of either Binance or Huobi Global. And what is more exciting, friends, is this robot is able to function for you on both Huobi and the Binance exchange simultaneously. You don't need to pay extra $120 for trading to take place on the second exchange. And that is exciting indeed. So with that being highlighted, you paid for your subscription. All you do now is connect the robot to your exchange so that the robot is trading for you, even during moments where you are busy at work occupied with your monotonous tasks that you know that you perform every day, maybe at your workstation, or maybe you are sleeping, you are tired, early hours of the morning. If there are bullish moves in the market, the robot will capture trades for you. And when you get up, you'll see money in your exchange just like that. Now, the second way of earning is when you have grown so much, with the business, and you know how to actually, or you are so much achieving success in terms of your own trading strategy, you are at liberty to implement different trading strategies with this robot. So with that being highlighted, it means now you will be growing in this business of trading via the robot. And now when you do that, within our community of RoyalQ, from those that have subscribed, so to speak, the company is giving you a limitless access to mingle with the subscribers within the sphere of this company, whereby other traders will follow your strategies simply because you capture the most profits out of the cryptos, rather than just standardized settings and so forth. And when you do that, you will still be making a serious career out of this, using this robot to actually give other people an opportunity to link to your own trading strategies. And we call it a sync strategy, which is on a Circle page, where you see a lot of traders who are coming into RoyalQ simply because they want to connect with people of like mind or like-minded people who believe in making money out of cryptos. This is a very good platform where you can get such people. You don't need to worry about marketing. Just be active and let people know that you are trading cryptos also through this robot, and they connect through your link or your system, so to speak, or your account. There's a way to sync, and simply by that, when you buy and sell through the robot, or when the robot buys and sells for you according to the set parameters, according to your understanding of the markets, that is now for advanced traders, so to speak, professional traders, and everybody can become a professional. You don't need to go to school for this. There is no qualification at all. It's all about your passion, your desire to make money out of the markets. And when we capture profits, certainly there are people who will want to follow you. And when they sync, there's a certain portion according to your own desire that you can claim from the profits, not from their own monies. Remember, their monies are in their own exchanges. That is the second way of earning, and that is incredible. Now, the third way, friends, is through sharing this great opportunity. As you do that via the affiliate program of this company, there are massive actually benefits for that, and we're going to show you as we move. We spoke of syncing, it's very easy. And then we spoke of you as a professional trader, seeing to it that those that follow you within the platform make good profits. As you take it to another level, I'm telling you, you will see money rain also into your account as you make profits for other subscribers of this great application. Now, not only that, friends, these are the requirements. You must have actually completed 100 orders or trades. When you open a trade, or when the robot opens a trade for you, and when it closes and profits are captured, so to speak, there must be 100 in total or more. And not only that, you must have achieved $1,000 US. In our team, we have people who are not professional traders, but they follow the set hands-free strategy by the board, and they've already achieved more than $1,000, but their trades are less than 100. This is incredible. They've already achieved one requirement simply because they trade with perhaps substantial amount of money, and the robot is able to make good money for them. And with lesser number of orders, they've already covered the second requirement. It means in future, when they want to be part of the professional traders so that other people can copy their strategies, they can do that. So there is future actually with RoyalQ, and that's very exciting. Now, in terms of you keeping yourself busy, talking to people and not being afraid of some new faces, speaking to strangers and showing them better ways of making money, and serious money, friends, in unprecedented ways, where we rely upon the strength and the power of the artificial intelligence to make money for ourselves while we are busy with our other commitments and so forth. And when you do that, when you're not shy to talk to people, when you're not shy to sell this opportunity, the company will put a smile on your face. And those that hear from you will come on board. And as they do that, there's amazing rewards that have been set in place for you. This is where we all begin. VIP. This is membership levels. There are 6 in total. V1 or VIP1 is for those who have simply paid $120 for subscription. It's as simple as that. Once this has been paid, it means you are active and you are on VIP1. And when someone comes on board using your link of RoyalQ, $30 will be paid to you immediately because of they have subscribed. And not only that, friends, this product is digital. You don't need to worry about physical addresses, having to courier products. This is not physical, it's digital. You simply keep your fingertips busy. Forward this information to people, share it even on social media platforms. Talk about new ways of making money. And when you do that, amazing things will happen. People will subscribe to this product, and this product will work for those that have subscribed to it. As it makes profits for them, the company is going to be sharing with you 20% of the profits that the company receives through the trading accounts of those that you brought on board. Now, imagine you are selling a product and once off per month, per annum, so to speak, is $30. It's paid to you simply because someone paid $120 to come on board and they are trading. Their money is safe on their side and the robot is trading for them and the robot makes profits. Only profits are shared in this company. And not only that, there is no losing of money. This is even more exciting, friends. And now imagine a company shares from minimum 20% with you simply because you're promoting this product. Now, look, when you're on VIP 2, you will be actually on this V2 membership. You will be earning $40 instead of the previous $30. When people do the same thing that you were doing with them when you were still a new member or a new active partner in the business. But here, because you have 20 partners in your structure, and out of these 20, 3 are directly linked to you, you will be earning $40 when your link is utilized by someone else to subscribe. And people will not be able to utilize the robot, or the robot will not be able to work for them until they subscribe. And now imagine this time around, because you are on V2, the company is now sharing 30% of the profits with you. Very sustainable, the cleanest or cleverest business model that you can ever think of. And very transparent because you see the markets from which money or profits are captured. This is incredible. Now, friends, at this level, partners who are not linked to you directly, meaning those that are linked to those that are connected to you, your indirect partners. You brought someone, and the someone that you brought brings someone. The someone that you brought will earn $30 because they are on V1, for instance, but you are on V2. When someone who comes into your team indirectly, so to speak, you will be earning $10 from that transaction because you're on V2. This is incredible. And to know levels, each and every person who is indirectly linked to you as they come, $10 is paid to you, and you are still gathering $40 for those that you bring yourself. This is a serious business. Now, V3, look at our sister there. You can see that kind of tranquility or relaxation. It shows you that there are no problems at all. This person is at peace. And I think one of these, there's someone who spoke of how they admire what they see here. And it's beautiful to see one of our sisters relaxing like that, simply because I believe this is where serious business begins at VIP 3. Look at what happens. You earn $50 simply because someone is subscribing to the robot so that it can work for them for the whole year. And not only that, their company says out of the 100% of the profits that they have received, they will share 40% with you. This is greater than franchising business, if you would understand. And indirect partners, $20, it's paid to you to no limits, so to speak, no levels in this structure. And this is amazing indeed. And remember, only profits are shared and not people's balances. Your own balance or your own trading capital, it's in your own exchange. You have full access to it. You can do whatever you want with it. There's a lot like peer pool bonuses that are paid. Friends, I'm not going to go into details with everything, honestly. This is logical, it's understandable. Look at VIP4, you will be earning actually $60, but you will need to have 300 active partners in your team, but 8 must be directly linked to you. Let me just mention on VIP3. VIP3, you will need 100 partners in your team, but 5 must be directly linked to you. It's possible that your team can have more than 100 via one person who is working this business religiously. There are people like that who see money in products that are still in obscurity, products that are still not famous as yet, but they see and they work the business like crazy and they get rewarded for that. So how about you be the first person who brings this product to popularity in your area, wherever you are, or globally, because this is done online. Look at VIP5, $65 simply because someone is paying with $120 for the product. And when profits are shared, 55% of what the company is receiving will be shared with you. Indirect partners, as they come at this level, $40 it's paid to you. And my friend, at this level, your team will be having 800 partners, and then directly linked to you, only 12 that you must have spoken to. And it's just simple as that. Now, this is even more exciting. This is a royal partner. This is the highest level in terms of the ranking, where you earn $70 when someone subscribes. And not only that, friends, 60% of the profits that the robot is making on a daily basis. Did you know that the robot is able to close so many orders in profit within a split of a second in different exchanges in different parts of the world, all at the same time, and your profit will be shared just like that? This is astronomical performance. The kind of results that we get with this platform are amazing. And what excites me the most is the global bonus, whereby the company sets aside 10% of the money that they produce, you know, for the whole month, and it's going to be paid to those who are having shares at the level of VIP6. You will be earning a certain amount, which is paid once per month. After you've gathered so much money, imagine at VIP6, your team should be having 1,500 active partners. And this is incredible, friends. A lot is happening at this dimension, and we are all fighting to get there, because that's where you see things that you might actually not have thought of before. Thank you so much for your time. We are done with our session for today. It's 28 minutes past 7, 19 hours, so to speak. And let's hear from you, please, when you have questions. We are here, and I see Bitcoin in Soweto. I don't know whether she's still in a seminar or what. If she's in a position to talk, certainly it's been ages. So thank you so much. And you are in a position where by now you can come up with a question, or please go back to the person that informed you of this great opportunity and position yourself accordingly, and let's make money together.
Wow, my leader, I missed everyone. That's so true. You know, being locked in there for a week is just too much. But greetings, everyone, guys. And I can see I've been following at least our group chat, and I can see the speed of smiles and everything. It's exciting and news indeed, and we are happy to be in this space. More things, good things that are still coming, and we need to really be there with our people and hold them by hand and make sure that they understand what they're involved in and what are the benefits. So we are definitely looking forward to a greater pastures, green pastures that are ahead of us. So thank you very much. I missed all of you, but definitely the market didn't stop. You know, it kept on rolling, and I did benefit as well. So I'm grateful indeed. Thank you very much, my leader.
Thank you. It's an honor always to hear from you, Leadership Bitcoin in Soweto. And yeah, that's it. Honestly, we are done with the session, and it's Friday. We've got meetings or activations and so forth. So any leader, please, if you're in a position to conclude the session for us, that would be highly appreciated.
Thank you so much, Leader KG, for the presentation. And it's nice to hear from you Bitcoin in Soweto. Thank you everyone for joining this Zoom meeting. We have to go out there now. It's Friday and share the good news and what we are experiencing. Thank you so much. Let's unmute ourselves and shout our slogan. RoyalQ.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
RoyalQ.
RoyalQ.
Welcome to the
Welcome to
future.
the future.
Welcome to the future.
RoyalQ.
All the best to everyone. Thank you so much, Leader KG.
Thank you, leadership.
Thank you,
everybody.
Thank you so much.